Hi there, I'm Nika, product lead at Coupler.io, and today I want to discuss connecting BigQuery to Claude. For most agencies and businesses, BigQuery is a great storage solution, and you can even connect it to tools like Claude and then be able to talk to your data. However, if you want to connect it to Claude using Google's official BigQuery MCP server, you will need help from developers because you need to assign multiple IAM roles to every user, set up OAuth authentication, configure the MCP client with the correct endpoint and credentials, and a few more additional steps. To help you skip this technical process, we've come up with our very own connector at Coupler.io, which allows you to send data to BigQuery from 400 plus sources, send BigQuery tables to Claude for analysis, have the data refresh automatically on your preferred schedule, and all under 5 minutes. So without further ado, let me show you how to do all of this. For starters, I'll create a new data flow from scratch and connect it to Google Search Console, which we'll use for today's demo. However, keep in mind that you can use any other data source. First, select your account, then choose the website from where do you want to extract data, select a report type to export, and hit Finish and proceed. When you switch to the Datasets tab, give it a moment to extract data and fetch your preview. And there we go. Here's 500 rows of your data neatly stacked. Next, under the Destination tab, search for BigQuery, choose the destination account, pick the data location US or EU, give the dataset and table names, click Continue and choose Append to place your newly imported data onto previously imported entries, hit Save and Run, and again, you should see a success message. In a few seconds, Coupler.io will import your data, and if you're happy with the result, we recommend turning on automatic data refresh to automate data ingestion. Choose the interval and the days of the week when you want it to run, and as usual, click on Save and Run, and you're done. Moving on, let's connect BigQuery to Claude now. I'll create another data flow from scratch. Find BigQuery under Sources, select the source account, add the following SQL query, which will select all columns and rows from the table we previously populated in BigQuery, finish and proceed. Wait a bit for the datasets to prepare your table, and finally choose Claude under AI integrations. Hit Get Connector, which will open Claude, then authorize Claude's access to your Coupler.io workspace. And that's it! Your BigQuery data is now connected to Claude. Now let me show you this in action. I'll simply ask Claude which queries lost the most clicks if we compare the last 90 days to the same period a year ago and which pages got affected. In no time, Claude analyzes the BigQuery data and prepares a table that tells which 3 pages lost the most clicks, how much they dropped, and what to fix. With that, we come to the end of today's tutorial. Before you go, let me remind you that you should always double-check the information AI gives you. And finally, you can click here and watch our in-depth Claude tutorial, or click here to find out whether conversational AI or AI-augmented BI tools are better for you. See you in the next one!